welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Will try to start legal mining as soon as possible. Prime Minister assures Goan delegation. Jayanti Natarajan too backs the stand. Congress Legislative Party asks Governor not to give assent to Lokayukta amendments. Says amendments not meant for common man. Government yet to send bill for Governor's assent. Slab of under construction building of Don Bosco Engineering College at Fatorda collapses. 15 labourers injured, 3 serious. Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar committed to providing sports schools for youngsters to seek professional guidance. Young chess stars Rishabh Naik and Crystal Fernandez felicitated. And Mr. Rotary All Goa Bodybuilding Championship at Kutsade on Sunday. And now news in detail. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and Union Environment Minister Jayanti Natarajan has assured to support for legal mining. Nationalist Congress Party leaders and mining dependents with Agriculture Minister Sharad Pawar met Prime Minister and discussed the interim ban on mining in the state. Union Environment Minister was also present during the meet. They assured to resolve the mining issue as early as possible.
Meeting
Prime Minister,
Prime Minister, Environment Minister and also Agriculture Minister first. And then सांगला की legal mining हा जो procedure जे कोई किया ना, ते speedy एक सारखे करते हैं legal एक पर कामी positive हम. Clearance का ना चाहते speedy एक करते हैं, शिनामिन करते हैं. हाँ. में speedy नहीं इतने करते हैं. ते मुझे case to के begin करते हैं, fast करते हैं मुझे शेड्यूल है 8 दिसंबर से मिट्टी होते हैं नाश्ते ना मुझे. Okay.
Okay.
Day-to-day basis करता हूँ.
Efforts are on to start legal mining in state as soon as possible. Though the matter is before the Supreme Court, state needs support from centre to press for the demand. NCP Chief and Union Agriculture Minister Sharad Pawar had fixed a meeting with Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on Monday. A delegation of mining dependent people, along with some of the political leaders, met Manmohan Singh. Delegation led by Pawar included Nilkant Harankar, NCP State President, Surendra Sirsat, ex-NCP State President, Jose Philip D'Souza, former Minister, Advocate Suhas Naik, Mining Dependent Munch, Christopher Fonseca, ITUC, Suresh Desai, Truck Owners Association, Prakash Rao Desai, Truck Owners Association and Anil Naik from Mining Workers Union. Meanwhile, hearing on mining in the Supreme Court is listed for Tuesday. Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Now, Congress Legislative Party has asked the Governor not to give assent to Goa Lokayukta First Amendment Bill 2013. Delegation of the Congress Party met the Governor on Monday and submitted a memorandum. Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane said that these amendments are not meant for common man. He claims that people will not approach the Lokayukta fearing heavy fine. Government has not yet sent the bill for Governor's assent.
लोक आयुक्त ॲक्ट जे असेंब्लीन पास केला ते आमी तेका आमच्या विरोधी पक्ष आणि इतर जे विपक्ष असले तेंच्यांनी तेका ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलेलें कित्याक लोक आयुक्त ॲक्ट पयलीं तो लोक आयुक्त बसल्या नंतर तेणी तें प्रत्यक्षान चलोवन पळोवंक जाय आनी तेच्या नंतर सूचना केल्यार जाताले पण ते येवच्या पयलीं कितें सुरवात जावच्या पयलींच लोक आयुक्ताचें काम हें तेका अमेंडमेंट हाडप आनी लोकांक सादारण भंय दिसतलो सामान्य मनशाक केस घालपाक 10,000चे 1 लाख केल्यात आनी 1 लाखाचे 10 लाख केल्यात फायन चूक बीक जाली जाल्यार सामान्य मनशा खातीर तो कायदो काय फायद्याचो ना तेचेर कितें अन्याय जालो कितें बाकीचें कितें अन्यायाचें काम जालें कितेंय असलें कोणाचे विरुद्ध ते लोक आयुक्ता कडेन जी केस वचपाची आहा ती वचूंक शकची ना आनी मागीर लोक आयुक्ता कांयच काम रावचें ना
हाजेर तुमकां माननीय राज्यपालांनी कितें एश्युरन्स बी दिली
ना माननीय राज्यपालां कडेन तें आयिल्लेंच ना हे तुळशीन आपूण पळयता
15 labourers got injured after a slab of under-construction building of Don Bosco Engineering College at Fatorda collapsed. The incident occurred on Monday at noon. 3 are seriously injured in the mishap. Fire force officials have pointed at defects in the construction. MLAs and ministers from Salsid visited the site. Sources claim that offence is likely to be registered against the contractor.
एक बिल्डिंग कन्स्ट्रक्शना प्रमाणे हो जो बीम घालता हे जो स्लॅब जेन्ना घालता पळय जनरली हे बीम आसता ते पयलीं घालप आसता फक्त ते कितें करता हे सगळे एका टायमार जावंक जाय म्हणून ते कितें करता वांगडाच घालता वांगडा घालता आसतना तो जो बीम लोड घेवपी आसा तो कच्चो आसता तेजेर ही आतां समज तितली 5 बाय 5च धर ते बीम कितलो लांब आहा ताका थिकनेस कितें आतां इतलो जो थिकनेस जो तो बिमाकूच देर तो बीम पयलीं लोड घेवचो ना आनी तो सांगता ताजो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट 8 इंच एमएमाचो जो 8 इंचाचो जो स्लॅब घालतालो जनरली डबल जे युजल तितलो तेजे कोणा तेजे स्टेबिलिटी जाय ते जे स्ट्रेंथ जे आसा पळय डबल तेणें लायल्या ती तितली लोड घेवपाक कॅपेसिटी आसा वो ना हें पयलीं कन्फर्म करूंक जाय दुसरें म्हणजे कितें तो घालता आसतना जनरली तशें घालूंक जाय सेफ फॉर सेफर तर तो घालता आसतना तो वांगडाच घातलें बीम एज वेल एज स्लॅब वांगडाच घातलो तेणें ताका लागून लोड कदाचीत पॉयंट जालो आसतलो आनी ते कलॅप्स जालें.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.